Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to create an alignment from an existing alignment. So I have an alignment in my screen. So let us assume that we want to create a new alignment on top of this alignment, but it is starting from station 400 and ending at station 1000 here. So we will use the same chainages, but it is a new alignment. So how to do that? To do that, you go to Home tab, Alignment, Alignment drop down, Create Alignment from Existing Alignment. So we have that option here. You click that one. Then it is asking what is the alignment you are going to select as the parent alignment. So I go to here, select this alignment, and it is asking my starting point. So either you can click on this 400, otherwise you can type 400 on the command line. So I'll use object snaps and select this point. Then once I drag the mouse, it will automatically draw the alignment for me. So if you have curves, it will draw the curves as well. So I am going to stop here at 1000. So I click here. Now it will be ended. Now after that you have to come to here to the command line and click finish. Then it will be done. So then you can set the alignment names, alignment type, alignment styles, and as the starting station it is taking 400. So if you want to make it from 0, you can set the starting station 0 here, otherwise you can take 400. Then you can use the alignment style as well as the alignment label set. So after that, click OK. So there will be alignment on this one. So you can clearly see that if I delete this alignment, delete this parent alignment, you will clearly see that we have another alignment here, which is the alignment created from the old alignment. So that is how to create an alignment from an existing alignment in Civil 3D.